What is up, YouTube? This is a review of my 1999 Ford F-250 Super Duty. This is a extended cab long bed. This particular truck has 228,000 miles on it. It is a XLT model. Now, current upgrades that I have done to this truck, I've put a 05 front grille on it, along with the 05 Harley Davidson smoked headlights. They are HID headlights. I have the Powerstroke decal on the top, along with 20% tint all the way around. There is smoked out headlights on the rear, as you can see, and they are LED. There is a Tractor Supply steel toolbox. Under the hood, the only modifications are a AFE Stage 2 air intake. The truck is straight piped. Let me go ahead and pop the hood and show you guys under it. There is 228,966 miles on it. There's the AFE Stage 2 intake. That is the Pro Dry S intake. Everything else in the truck is stock, besides the exhaust, and there's a 3-inch airbag leveling kit on the rear for towing. This truck is set up with a gooseneck in the bed. And as you can see, if I go under here, you'll see where the muffler is straight piped right there. The exterior color on this truck is purple with the XLT cloth interior. Let me go ahead and show you guys the interior of the truck. There is no wear on the seats. All the seats are in good condition. No staining or rips. As you can see, the back seat is the same way. There's a little stain right here on the back seat. Other than that, the back seat is in excellent condition. This truck does have the bench seat in the front where this folds up and makes another seat. The passenger side of the vehicle is the same way. Go ahead and show you that one time. As you can see on the passenger side, same way. Seats in good condition, all intact, no rips or tears. And if we go ahead and go into the back seat on the passenger side, same way. The truck does have an aftermarket head unit. I've put in a JVC head unit so I can get my auxiliary input. This particular truck is a 4x4 model with locking hubs in the front. As you can see, they are super winch locking hubs and they work perfectly on both sides. This truck does have some rust on it. The wheel wells are still intact, but as all the forge, the door has rust on them on both sides and along with the rocker panels. This truck does have aftermarket Pioneer speakers on all 4 doors, and there is that scrape right there in the bed where the previous owner took the truck off-road and scraped up against a tree. There is a fully intact bed liner in the truck. Bed liner is in good condition. Let me go ahead and start up the truck and show you guys what it sounds like. There is no dash lights on in the vehicle.
29 Miami Valley Gaming, get ready!
As you can see, no dash lights on. Let me go ahead and show you guys the HIDs. There is nothing wrong with the truck as of right now. I do have a tablet mounted right here for my gauges. I am going to be upgrading to glow shift gauges on the A-pillar. But for right now, I have my gauges mounted on my tablet. And to view my gauges, I use a Bluetooth code reader, BAFX Bluetooth code reader, that just plugs right in under the dash and it connects to my tablet and I can view my gauges through it. Everything works on the truck, like I said, 4x4 AC, windows, everything works on the truck itself. There is nothing wrong with the truck. As you can see, No dash lights. All the gauges look perfectly. Idle's good. All the controls are intact. Nothing missing on the truck. This is my 1999 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Let me know what you guys think about it.